Hey guys, welcome to another video. CarX just released an update yesterday, and as it says, now Samsung users and the devices with 4GB RAM or higher can also play the game. Anyway, that's all for the update, otherwise nothing changed at all.
Yeah,
that's all I'm playing on a 12.
Yo, the map fix? No, it doesn't fix. No, it's the same shit, so I'm assuming that was on purpose. I don't like it. Hate it. Map looked way better before. Okay, so far...
you could actually see the little cars and stuff driving around. No, you don't see that.
Yeah. That probably were using like a lot of CPU or something, but like...
That's what I was thinking, yeah. So they took that off.
Yeah.
But honestly, I liked having what's called, like, you know, you being able to see the little cars and stuff. That was pretty cool.
That was a lot of detail and shit. You don't really see that in many games. I don't think any games. I haven't seen in any games really.
Yo, especially like at night, you see like the lights from the cars. That was pretty cool.
Like that.
Where'd you go? Go.
Oh, okay.
Crashed. As expected.
Big man.
I don't have a cooler right now, so if I start lagging...
Yo. Make sure you have motion blur off.
Oh, yeah.
If it's on, turn it off after the roundabout.
Yeah.
I guess since we're doing practice, whatever stuff, I could turn it off.
Yeah.
What one? Screen recording. I mean, that shit looks epic.
See the skill of X-Marks. Who can do like three flips, barrel roll, 360 with a 14 in the air, in the middle of tandem, bro? That's like pure skills, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll do that one next time. I can't do a 3.
You might have to increase your IQ, man, to do it.
Yeah, it's up my wheelchair there.
Bro, have you seen the videos of the Need for Speed Mobile?
No, is it good?
Dude, they already have cops and shit, like Lambo cops and shit. It's thick, man.
Wait. For mobile?
Yeah. But like you see in beta, we don't have access to it, like it's only for China. Well, like
it's only for China?
Yeah, it's like pre-access for the beta.
Oh, I'm Chinese now. Yo, where that?
But like that's cool, bro. You already have like the police and shit, like you got our like Lambo police, bro. It's sick, bro.
He'll be like, who's this noob in your next video? Jeez, you can drive, alright?
Yeah, bro. For God's sake.
Do you guys also hit a bunch of different ramps?
Not really.
What do you mean? Bro, this car, when I get off the e-brake, bro, this car is awful. This truck.
You guys don't just go and hit ramps on this map every once in a while?
Nah.
No.
Oh, the spikes.
I get hella bored sometimes, so I just do that.
Like I play CarX when I get bored, like bored. Like bored. not.
This man has a whole YouTube channel about CarX, and he's like, yeah, fuck this.
Yeah, you got a Jetto now. But...
You now know what I'm talking about?
What?
Ooh, I just watched you guys do the 360.
Yeah, man, big man thing.
That thing looked clean. I'm watching you guys from the minimap.
Oh, from the
looks pretty dope.
It's like watching football and then like the last hits on the very top.
Yeah, it's like watching it at 180p. You're basically watching Minecraft at that point.
That was... I was trying to new 360 spot.
Yeah,
bro,
you can get one.
Okay, I'm starting to get lag as well. It's probably because of the low charges, right?
Ooh, G whipped out the beamer. I just tossed mine to the side. Let me get it out.
Forgot what the fuck you're going. Was it left?
I love the M46. It's such a nice car.
The small, older one?
No, that one's
the
awful.
M46.
The M46 is beautiful.
Come on, you're so sorry.
That's cool.
Oh, I have the most NFS most wanted looking one.
Oh yeah, that one's good. That one
I
has the
tried.
best handling so far, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
Hard.
2 a.m. here.
I'm
Oh,
PC, bro.
my frame rates are increasing. Oh, I spoke too
Jeez.
soon. Hey,
Xbox,
at least
stop
I'm running at
drifting. They're
like freaking
already smoother than you. Shame on you, G.
20
Oh,
FPS.
what are you doing? Come- I want to be
Wait,
in a
guys, do you
video.
upgrade your downforce or no?
No, don't do it in any drift car. Yeah. Bro, there's some weird noises
It didn't
coming,
get
bro.
as warm as
Someone's
it
doing
usually does,
something.
though.
Top, top, top.
It's just Big D doing his usual D things.